Hey, this is Matt with BroadviewTech.com, and today I'm going to show you in Windows 10 how to find your graphics or GPU hardware and what version of the driver is currently in use. All you gotta do, click here, type in the word DXDIAG, DXDIAG, just like that. Run this, and it'll pop up a window that shows you your current hardware installed and the version of the graphics driver, also whether it is signed by Microsoft and like authentic. You can see here I'm on a older laptop, an E7450, and this is actually using the display adapter. They integrated Intel HD Graphics 5500, which is part of the CPU package that is in this machine. So there it is, though. The name is this HD Graphics 5500, and then here list your drivers that are loaded and in use for your machine. These appear to be older ones, but you know, with the date, having the date there, I could go to the Intel website and verify that those are the latest drivers. That's pretty much all the information you need to do that, to accomplish that. So anyway, hope this helps someone, and take care. Have a good day. If you have any questions, either please comment them below or email us at sales@broadviewtech.com. Thank you. Bye.